Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ardani Mamrashid, and today I'm gonna talk about management production. Without further ado, let's straight to the point. Management production. Production management is a structuring system that organizes unfinished products into products that are ready to be marketed to consumer. In terms of management, production management is responsible for revising process so that later that the result matches what has been formulated in the planning. When the process is running well, it is easy for the company to determine decisions such as which products should be launched to the public first. There are two things related to production management. The first, the division of labor. With the right division of labor, it will help the production process to be more efficient, process to be more effective. Second, the Industrial Revolution. It was this revolution that put machines in place of human labor, substitute for human labor. The hope is that all the targets aspired to by the company are easily achieved. Next, definition of production management. Production management is a structuring system that organizes unfinished products into products that are ready to be marketed to consumer. Into products that are ready to be marketed to consumer. In terms of management production, management is responsible for overseeing the process so that the result matches what has been formulated in the planning. When the process goes well, it is easy for the company to determine decisions such as which products should be launched to the public first. There are two things related to production management. Firstly, the division of labor. With the right division of labor, it will help the production process become more effective. Second, the Industrial Revolution. It was this revolution that put machines in place of human labor. The hope of the targets that the company aspires to are easily achieved. And next, definition of management production according to expert Sufyan Asauri Handoko. Production management is an activity to organize and coordinate the use of a number of resources. Both thus, organize and coordinate the use of a number of resources, be it people, tools, funds, and material, through production management that is executed appropriately. The management of these resources can be carried out more efficiently and effectively, so as to create and increase the function or usefulness of a service or material, add to the function or usefulness of a service or good. Based on the explanation from Handoko, the definition of production management and its operation is a variety of optimal management efforts related to the use of all resources. Some of these production factors include labor, equipment, raw goods, machinery, and so on. Through all of these factors, businesses are able to transform material into raw. And next, Irham Fahmi, Hazer and Rader. Meanwhile, the definition of production management from Irham PAHAMI is a management science that thoroughly discusses how production management from the company use the art and science. It has company use the art and science to organize and direct people in active production result according to the target or desired goal one. Definition of production management according to Heiser and Rader is a series of activities that create value with form of goods or service by making input as output. Management objective production. Every process must have a purpose. The following are the objectives of managing human resources in order to maximize the ability with the tasks assigned, given, organizing the workforce so that they are in accordance with their respective expertise, managing production equipment from purchase to maintenance so that no damage occurs. Next, management function production. Planning of supporting service before carrying out the production process needs careful planning. If planning can be done well, it will help the company in minimize production costs. The company can also set price with a margin that is able to generate profits. This is a service that are used to support the production process. The second function. This is usually used to determine which method is good for production so that the result matches the company goals. Production so that the result matches the company goals. The third function of supervisory processing is very important because it is used to process the product. Important because is in the process usually the results effectively and more efficient. In order for the company goals to be well, planned supervision is needed. This serves to ensure that the production process follow the applicable regulation. And next, management aspect production. The first, production planning. This planning is done so that the production process runs smoothly. When planning, there must be an initial decision that needs to be made. For example, determining raw materials, suppliers, quantity, and product quality. The second, product control. The control stage is important so that the production process goes according to plan. In production control, there are three things that must be known, namely planning, determine the target market, and prepare a work schedule. The existence of control is it intent that the production process is in line with the company goals. The third, production supervision. This is quite an important thing in production management, namely supervision. Which is supervision? Without need supervision, it is impossible for the production process to run according to plan. Production process will go according to plan. The purpose of this supervision is that the production process run in accordance with the company original objective, starting in terms of time allocation to the budget that the company has made. And next, conclusion. Production management is a process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the activities of the production function. Controlling the activities of the production function, it combines and transforms various resource used in an organization production subsystem into value-add products in a controlled manner as per the organization policy. The objective of production management to produce good service of the right quality and quantity at the right time and cost of production. Product quality is established based on customer requirement. The right quality is not necessarily the best quality. It is determined by the cost of the product and technical characteristics that match the specific. The manufacturing organization must produce in the right quantities. If there are products in excess of demand, capital will be closed in the form of inventory, and if the quantity product is below the demand, leading to the product shortage, timelines of delivery is one of the parameters to assess the effectiveness of the production department. So the production department must make optimal utilization of input resource to achieve its objective. Production costs are set before the product is actually manufactured. Therefore, all effort must be made to produce the product at the cost set beforehand. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.